Drivers. The field is once again green. Drivers remain behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And they're off and running in autonomous match number 10. Remember, we will be going to match number 12. After match number 12, we will have a replay of match number 6. As the human players have programmed the bots to see what to do what they're doing right now. The score is 20-15 in favor of the Blue Alliance coming out of autonomous, as we have some algae being scored in the blue net. 4 points as 88-65. That's the Decula Droids pulls some algae off of the coral reef, tries to process it. The algae slips out of their possession, but another piece by their alliance member as the Blue Alliance scores 4. The Red Alliance scored 6 for processing. It's co-opetition points. If they both can process the algae, they can get some co-opetition ranking points. There's some scoring. There's some scoring on the reef. There's some scoring in the net. That's worth 4 points when they score the algae. They continue to maneuver on the bottom floor. We got a good view of the bottom floor. The water is nice and clear here in the oceans today. 74-51, the Avenger Robotics team scoring on the reef one more time as they pick up another piece of coral and place it on the middle branch. That's worth 4 points. It's now 79 for the blue and 51 for the red, as the red is inching ever closer to the Blue Alliance with just over a minute left to go. There's the Robo Lions on the Blue Alliance picking coral up off of the floor, placing it high atop the reef for 5 points, as it's 84-60 right now, 87-60, as the scoring is really fast in this game at times. There we go. 52-93 up against the coral zone. They pick up the coral from the chute from the human player on top, take it to the reef and score 2-3 on the lower point. More coral being scored left and right as it's 105-63 with 30 seconds left to go. The Robo Lions placing more coral on the top. That's worth 5 points. So we still have a lot of action on both sides of the ocean floor tonight. That sound indicates that we're down to under 20 seconds as it's 115-63, 52-93, scoring some more points. That's another 4 points for the Red Alliance as they try to close in on the Blue Alliance. But the Blue Alliance bots, they're all parked up underneath now. The Robo Lions move away, score 5 more points. And they come to the end of the match. Can't tell, looks like, can't tell from here if the Blue Alliance bot got off of the floor. If they did, it would have been worth 12 points. Otherwise, it'll be worth 2 for parking up underneath the barge in the barge zone. Those ranking points are valuable. You can get them on autonomous. You can get them for scoring coral. As we endeavor to complete the matches today. And here we go. They're releasing the fish up onto the reef one more time. The bluefish. The bluefish are swimming with a score of 126 to 67 as the Blue Alliance gains a bunch of ranking points, 3 for the victory. 1 point for barge points, scoring more than 4 or penalized, getting that ranking point. And in autonomous, scoring 1 piece of algae, or scoring 1 piece of coral and moving off of their starting zone is what the autonomous points are for. That was 5 ranking points total right there, as the Red Alliance also gained a ranking point for all 3 of their bots moving off in autonomous and scoring at least 1 piece of coral on the reef.